You have a disability, money's tight. I'm here to show you how I get designer $10. Nobody needs to know. Your favorite thrift stores, watch for the sales. This is a Joseph Rifkoff gown, peplum hem. I love the collar. It's fierce. I elevated it with a bling belt. Total $25. Next, go through your clothes, try them on. If you have a good seamstress, pin things or add. Keep the pieces that you love, but just edit them for a fraction of the price. I'm getting down. I found hem for $10. In total, it'll be a $20 dress. It would have been over $150. I used to work in bridal. Know your brands. Stay away from discount in secondhand shops for a couple more bucks. I get it brand new. Let me show you the dress. This is the back. This is the front of it. Lastly, go through your closet. Make sure you're not buying the same thing because you didn't know you had it. I can see I don't need to spend it this year. I have enough. Those are my tips. How do you save money and look like a rock star? Follow for more.